tail's just blowing in the wind. Why is he still up there? He's probably doing the breeze.